Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Tuesday, and the date is 16th of February 2021. Today we're going to learn a new chapter, new unit. It's Unit 8 and Lesson 1. We learned about the properties of matter, but today we're going to learn about the physical changes. Hello, love. Hi. You just came, my love? You just came, dear?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we learned about the properties of matter, but today we're going to learn about the physical changes. What I mean by physical changes? Physical changes mean something will change the matter, but it will not make a new one. It will still be the same, but there are some changes can happen to it. Yes, Yalayan?
Like when you cook an egg.
No, that's not correct. I'm really sorry.
Really?
When you cook, this is not a physical change. It will change, completely change. Everything will change in the egg. Is it the same when you eat raw egg, but the same also when you eat cooked egg?
No, it's not.
No, it's not. So cooking, adding heat is something gonna make it change chemically. See? We have a physical change and a chemical change. Today
We took this in grade 3.
yes. Today we're only gonna learn about physical changes. Tell me about something. Okay, first of all, let's choose a matter. Do you have a piece of paper? I need a piece of paper.
I have one.
Paper, but okay. I need a paper you don't not need. Paper you don't want anymore. Okay?
This book, I didn't need it anymore. Wait.
Only a piece of paper, ya Rihanna. I need only a piece of paper.
It's a piece of paper that's useless. A piece of paper.
Yes, I need a piece of paper that is useless. You don't need it anymore.
This
okay.
one. You see this? This one's useless.
Yes, Yalayan. Yes, you don't need it anymore. Okay, let's use it.
I don't need this one.
All right.
It's already cut.
Okay, girls. Okay. Thank you, Maria. I saw yours. Okay, girls.
So I don't need it
Okay, I want you, first of all, to close your mic. Close your mic. Very good. Now, can you try to make a change to this paper, but I want it to still be a paper. Only make a change to it. Make something that will change it, but it will still be a paper. Very good, Leon. Very good, Leanne. What did you do, Maria? Excellent, Maria. What about you, Rihanna? Very good, very good. So I have two different, oh, nice, nice, Maria. Very good, Rihanna. All right, let's start with Lean. Lean, please, Lean, change your name to Lean. Keep it Lean, please. And then tell me, what did you do to the paper? What did you do to the paper?
Okay. This paper is useless. So I'm gonna get a bowl like that. I'm gonna put on water. It'll be soaked.
It will be soaked. Excellent. And this soaked paper, is it still a paper or it changed to something else?
It's still a paper.
Excellent. It is still a paper. So Lean has soaked her paper. I'm gonna write the word. Let's write the word down. Soaked. Who can help me? How can I write soaked?
Miss, I can. Okay, you wrote it right.
Yes. Did I write it right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, soaked. So she soaked the water. What about Rayana? Rayana, can you tell me, what did you do to your paper?
This.
Okay. What did you do? Can you describe it? Yes.
I make it to a toy.
Excellent.
Still
Okay.
paper.
You
Because
fold
I can
the paper. You fold the paper. Excellent. And it is still a paper. Okay, Layan, can you tell me what did you do with your paper?
I'm gonna tell you the shape of my paper. It was this big. Wait, let me show you. It was one of these big, and then I turned it into a small envelope. Which I wrote
Excellent.
in the back, "I love science."
Nice. So you also fold the paper. Very nice. And it's still be a paper.
And
Okay.
change the color because
Colored.
I'm gonna show you. Look,
Excellent.
this is
Colored
the
the
paper. It
paper.
had a lot of colors, but when I fold it changed color. Like the color didn't become the
Nice.
same.
Very
Became
cool,
white.
ya Layan. Excellent. Now let's see, Maria. What did you do to your paper, ya Maria?
my paper, it's one of those little note papers.
Mhm.
I ripped it and then I filled it out with a pencil and then I folded it together and scrambled
Excellent.
it.
Very nice. So you shredded your paper. Also, you scrambled them. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Very good. And also
I
you
destroyed
colored.
it.
Okay, but it's still a paper. It is not something new.
Miss, and
There
I
is no
don't-
substance, new substance appear. Leah, did you do something with your paper or you don't have a paper?
I don't have paper.
Okay, all right. So remember all these words
My
now.
teacher.
Hi. So
I
remember
got
all
you.
these words, my love, okay? Remember the words. Let's see now. Let's go to the next page and see what are the physical changes that can happen to a matter and it will not change this matter at all. It only, alhamdulillah, it only might change what? The appearance of this matter, but it will still be the same. So you have, yes, soaked. If you soaked some paper or cloth, it will still be the same. Thank you, Yalayan. Thank you. So soaking is changing a physical, making a physical change. Shredding, look at the shredding. As you did, my girls, shredding is not a big change, it is a physical change. A change can happen to the appearance. What about stacked over here? What do they mean by stacked? Yes, Yelene, what does it mean, stacked?
Stacked means like I have a piece of paper right now. Okay. It's like stacked. Like see, it has two papers, but it's one paper, but when you do this, it becomes more.
Okay, hi,
Teacher, I know
Italia.
what it means.
Yes, Italia.
It means like lots of papers stacked on top of each other.
Excellent. And they are different size and color, but they are still stacked and they are still papers. Very good. And over here, just like Leanne did, different shape of the paper. What do we call making different shapes of paper? Folding papers. Also, Rayana did the same. She folded paper. Excellent. Also, over here, Maria crumbled her paper and it still a paper did not change and had a new substance appeared. So what is a physical change? Who can tell me what is a physical change? Over here. Yes, ya Leanne. Please, ya Leanne, read for me.
Is a change in which a new substance of not form
Is
is
not
not
formed.
form.
Excellent, excellent. So it is a change where new substance is not gonna form, okay? There's nothing new is going to appear. Now, what are some different ways that you can make a physical change to piece of string? Hi, Atalia. A piece of string. What can you make a physical change to a piece of string?
You could You could tie it, or you can make a bow out of bow from it.
Excellent, excellent. You can tie or you can even cut and it will still be the same. Now describe the physical change. Who can describe the physical change? Yes, ya Rayana, describe.
You can soak it.
A physical
Soak it?
change is what? Okay, you can soak it and then your matter will
physical
still be the
change-
same or not?
Yeah.
Okay,
A
so
physical
when
change. If you did anything to this thing and it's still the same, it's the physical change.
excellent, yes, if you did any changing to this matter, it will still be the same matter from first place and it will not have. Okay, let's think out of the box. There is some change you can do, okay? You can melt something or you can even freeze something, but it will still be the same. Think about water. When you put some water in the freezer, will it change to juice or to ice cream, or it will just change to ice cubes? Yes, Yalayan.
It will still change, like it will still be like ice cube. It's not, it's gonna still be liquid. It's still gonna be
Not liquid, it will still be water. Excellent. So only the state of matter gonna change, but it will still be water. It's not gonna turn to juice. It's not gonna turn to let's say
something.
what? Yes, ya Rayana.
But the ice is different from the water because
The state of
that
ice,
is
yes.
liquid.
Yes, the state of matter is different. The state of
Yeah.
matter is solid and of the ice, and liquid and water is liquid. But both of them are made of water or not? Do they make
Still
the
water.
same matter or not?
Yeah.
Yes, because when ice cubes melt, they will become again water, liquid water. Is that right or not? Yeah.
That's right.
Okay, let's take a look at this experiment over here. Also, this one is a physical change. When you melt, pour, and mold, what do I call these? These two, what are they doing? The daughter and father, what they are doing? They're making a candle. So to make a candle, people melt, pour, and mold. All these are physical changes. See, when you melt something, you are making a physical change. When you pour it into some other glass, you are making a physical change. Even when you are molding, let it dry and become mold, you are making a physical change. Did you change the candle? No, you did not. Over here, you can see broken candles. Okay, when they are melted, it's only melted candles. They are still candles. And then you change the shape of the candle or even the color of the candle. It is still a candle. It is not another substance. So there is no new substance appeared. Now this liquid wax takes the shape of the mold over here, and then it releases heat energy as it cools. When it cools, what happens? It will turn to this shape, and also because they added a new color, so it turned to blue. So this experiment you can do, and you can say this is what? A physical change. It is not a new substance.
Teacher, you're laggy. Teacher,
Yes?
you're laggy.
What about others?
No, it's good for me. It's perfect for me.
Good for me.
All right, so
Oh,
look
now it's
at,
good. Now
okay,
it's good.
can you do this experiment exercise with me, please? Ice cream is a solid. What happens to ice cream if it's removed from a freezer? Why Which physical change take place in the ice cream? Hi, Atalia.
When you take it out of the freezer, it will melt.
Excellent.
And why?
Why? Mhm.
Why is because ice cream is supposed to be in the freezer, and when you get it out, it's gonna melt by the heat.
Excellent, because it loses the energy and it takes up energy and it takes up a lot of heat and it loses the coldness. So what is the physical change that happens over here?
It changes by
Okay.
solid
Yes.
to liquid.
Yes, and we call it melting. So what is the change that happens over here?
It melted.
Melting. Excellent. And melting, is it physical change or not?
Yes.
It is physical change. Excellent.
Because it's
Also
still an ice
gas, also glass. People, they shape glass from broken glass, but they use heat to do that, but it will still be the same. If you broke a glass and you take it to the factory, they will make another cup or another shape, but it will still the same glass. It will still be the same substance. It will not
It
be
looks
different.
like fire. Looks like
They-
fire.
Yes,
Oh.
they use fire to shape glass or to shape these stuff. They use fire. They use a lot of heat to shape glass. Okay, girls.
Glass is fire.
Mm. Yes, this is fire. It looks like it still have its heat. It's not cooling. It did not cool down, not yet. Now they are melting over here. That's why it looks red, because they are melting this glass. That's why it looks red. After melting this glass, shaping it again, they will make this one, the yellow one, but it is still the same glass. It is the same substance. There is no new substance. Did not change to wood. It did not change to plastic. It's still glass.
Yeah, it got changed to
glass pitcher.
iron.
Why is it called a pitcher?
It's still glass, but its color is changed.
A pitcher, why? Because you can put something over here, a juice or water, and then you can pitch out of it.
Or flowers.
Yes. Okay, also mixing something up. When you make mixture, when you mix something and they have still the same, they keep the same stuff inside them, we call it a mixture, and it is a physical change. For example, when you mix colors together, this jar contain of a mixture rubber balls. All these rubber balls, when you mix them together, did it change? Did they change?
No.
No. What about oil and vinegar? When you mix oil and vinegar, they make a mixture. Do you know why?
Why?
Because oil is going to be up here and vinegar will go down there. And you can, girls, separate the oil from the vinegar. That's why
How?
there is no how. Look at the oil up there.
Yeah.
And the
Okay.
vinegar is down here. So you can take away the oil with your spoon until there is no oil left, and then all what is left is going to be the vinegar. So it is not new substance appeared. It's only a mixture of two things and they are separated. They can be separated. Yes, so a mixture also, when you mix thing, okay, for example, fruit salad. What about a fruit salad? When you cut down the banana and strawberry,
Apple.
grapes, do they change when you cut them?
No, they're just shaped.
Okay, what about mixing them together? When you mix the salad or you mix the fruit?
No.
Huh.
No, because I can eat them one at
Excellent. So you still can separate them. So whenever you are making a mixture and you can separate this mixture, You are not making a new substance, so it is a physical change. Do you get the idea of physical change?
Yeah.
What
Yes.
about a solution? What about a solution? What is a solution? Yes, Yalayan, tell me, what is a solution?
The solution is a mixture in it's the mixture in which the substance are evenly mixed.
Excellent. When you put the same amount of water with the same amount of lemon together, you make a solution and then you can add sugar to them. Can you separate them later? Yes, let me tell you how.
Really?
Yes, you can separate a lemonade. How? You can evaporate all the water. You'll put it on fire and all the water will be evaporated. Sugar will still be there. You can have your own sugar, and also the lemon and the sugar will be there. After you evaporate the water, you can evaporate also the lemon, and what is left is the sugar. So a solution is whenever you are dissolving something, we call it a solvent. A solvent is the larger part of a solution that dissolves other substance. So what is the solvent? The water. And the solvation is what?
Miss,
But
can I
teacher,
The
I have
sugar
a
that
question.
dissolves in the solvent.
Miss, can
I
I
have
get my
a question.
batteries?
Yes, sure. Yes, Elian. Your question, please?
What? So what? Does it make a solution when if I do an experiment? It's like baking soda and vinegar, but I'm gonna put the
No.
same amount, or no?
No, baking soda and vinegar, they are not making a solution because there is a new substance appears, which is bubbles and gases. Bubbles and gases were not there in baking soda and vinegar. It is a third thing, a new thing appeared. It is really new. Uh, um, uh, so it is a chemical change and not a physical change. A physical change when you put sugar with lemon and water, all of them will be the same. Water will not change. It's only a solution. They mixed together. They are, you are making a solution. You can drink them together and you still feel the lemon, you still feel the sugar, you still feel the water. So they have their own substance and they didn't make new thing. You just made a solution. And a solution can be one type of a mixture. Okay? So a solution is one type of a mixture. It looks like a mixture. So before we leave, guys, can you tell me what did we learn today?
Miss, I'm gonna tell you.
Yes, Yaleen. Let's start with Lane. What did we learn today?
We learned about the physical changes and
Excellent physical changes. And I want someone else to tell me what are the physical changes we learned. Yes, yeah, Maria. Please, Maria.
Yes, teacher.
What are the physical changes we learned today?
The physical changes we learned today is when you put when you, for example, you melt the glass, it becomes a thick liquid.
Excellent. So melting is a physical change. A change when you do so these changes, there's no new substance appeared. So this is a physical change. Melting, freezing, folding, scrambling, shredding. What else? Making a fruit salad, mixture. Yes, yeah.
it's a solution.
Excellent mixture and a solution. That was everything, my lovely girls. Yes, Leanne, do you have something to add?
Yes, we learned that when you do like the mix, sometimes find a new, like when you did the folding and everything, you did find the new the third thing. What is it called? The new
New
something.
substance? When you
Yes.
fold a paper, is there any third substance come?
No, it doesn't come, but I think when we do, they're like when we do some of like these stuff, there is new substance.
No, my lovely Layan. Whenever you are making a physical change, there is no new substance appear. This is how you know this is if it's a physical or a chemical. Okay?
Miss,
If it's a physical, it will not appear a new substance. When you fold a paper, new shape appear, or let's say not only a new shape, maybe new color, new look, but it will not change to a glass or a plastic or something else. It's only gonna change the shape or the color. So it is still be a physical change, okay? And as you said, my love, you told me about the vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar and baking soda, when you mix them together, they make bubbles. Bubbles,
You?
yes, they do. They make bubbles, they make gases, and those are new things, new substance. They are not in the baking soda, they are not in the vinegar. They appeared once you put them together. So physical change do not do that. Yes, Yelin.
can you please stop recording?
Yes, sure. Okay, guys, say bye-bye to recording.
Bye bye YouTube.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Happy